Hello student, my name is Birbal Kumar, your maths teacher. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the coming videos. We are going to do the pair of linear equation in two variables, chapter 3, exercise 3.1. Okay, here the question is, the coach of a cricket team buys three bets and six ball for rupees 3,900. Okay, then again she buy another bet and three more balls for 1,300. We have to put this on a graph. uh, Represent this situation algebraically and geometrically. Okay, so these are the solutions I have done. So I have taken, let the cost of one bet and one ball be rupees X. Okay, one bet is rupees X I have taken, and one ball I have taken rupees Y. So he has took three bets, so it will be 3x, 3 into bet will be X, so 3x plus 6 into ball is what? 6 into ball is y I have taken, so 6 into y, it will be 6y is equal to, the total amount will be 3,900. Okay, these are first equations. So this equation can be divided by 3. So if I divide by 3 on from both the sides, I will get x plus 2y is equal to 1,300. This 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, so 1,300. Okay, this is equation number 1. Again in second line, it said he has bought again one bet and more 3 balls, so it will be x plus 3 into y is a ball, 3y is equal to, for total 1,300. It is equation number 2. Okay, now we have to make the table for putting the value on the box or in the graph paper. There is x plus 2y is equal to 13. Okay, this is the equation from equation 1. X plus 2y is equal to 13. Then I have sent this 2y on the left hand sides, or sorry, on the right hand side, so it will become plus, it will become minus 2y. Then whenever we take the value of y, we will get the value of x, right? So I have taken y value as 500. Okay, when y is equal to 500, so x value we got, x is equal to 1,300 minus 2 into y value is 500 I have taken, so 2 into 500 will be 1,000. So 1,300 minus 1,000 is 300. Okay, so when we have taken y value as 500, we got the value x 300. Okay, then again we have taken the y value 400, then we have got the x value 1,300 minus 2 into, in place of y I have written 400, then 800. So 1,300 minus 800, 500. So when we have taken the y value 400, we got the value 500. Okay, then from equation 2, x plus 3y is equal to 1,300. Then x is equal to, we have sent plus 3y variable on the right hand side, so 1,300 minus 3y. So when y value is 300, then we have got the value of x is equal to 1,300 minus 3 into 300 is 900. 1,300 minus 900 is 400. So when we have taken the value of x as 400, y value is 300, we got the x value 400. Okay, when you have taken the y value as 400 in this equation, then 1,300 minus 3, 13 minus 3 into 400, in place of y I have written 400. So 1,300 minus 1,200, 1,300 minus 1,200 is 100. So this 100 over here. Okay, when you have taken y value as 400, we have got the x values 100. So this table 1 and table 2, so we have to put on a graph paper. Okay, so this one is a graph. So the table 1 is our axis. This our horizontal is x axis. Horizontal is our x axis. Okay, and the vertical is our y axis. Okay, so first table in the question, it is first table is x value is 300. So I have taken this value is 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 1000. It will be 1000, 1100, 1200, 1300, 1400, 1500. Okay, 100 value is the gap. So first table is from x value is 300 and y value is 500. So x value, where is the x value is 300. This is the x value is horizontal, x is 300, x value is 300. When we have to move to the to y, that is vertical sides, that is 500. Where is 500? 500 is here. So this is the point. Again, second point, we have to find x is 500, x is 500 and y is 400. So where it will be? Over here. Okay, so this and this point will be joined in a straight. Okay, so this our equation. This equation comes from these lines come from this equation: x plus 2y is equal to 1300. Okay, this is the, from this equation these lines comes. Okay, now second, this line come from second equation. So second equation, in the box we have got the value, x value is 400. X value is 400. Where is x value is 400? 400 this one, and 300 we have to move to y, that is 300 over here. Okay, then again x value is 100. This point we got. Then the second points we need. Then x value is 100 and the y value is 400. So we have to move here. So both this point we have got and we have to join like this from the scale. Okay, from the scale you have to join this. Then this line comes from which equation? From this x, from second equation. It is x plus 3y is equal to 1300. Okay, so when we have joined this line, we have got here intersect, right? So this is called intersecting line. So where we got this intersecting line? This our x value, this will be at 1300 and y and y will be 0. Okay, this is our x, this is our y. So we can say that, now we can write here, the two lines intersect each other at one point. At one point, which point? That is 1300, 0. So it is an intersecting lines. We can take the scale also. Scale x axis is y, x axis y axis. 1 unit is equal to 100 centimeter. We have taken the gap. Okay. Okay, thank you for watching.